Ali muruki.
So that's what I'm showing you guys.
Okay.
Ibanguwe.
Ngiyaziphathela itangalani kwecomedy. Ngiyekile osipana nawe manje.
Uzokuthetha kalokhu uthethe thini. How was the show?
Oh, guys, we enjoy with our guys from Sugar Mama. Yes, we have
Uthi guys, yebo enjoy ezenye guys ukhona. Uyayivuma lo gaga. Enjoy. Ingaku busy nomnye baby boy.
And we see that my baby is continue with other baby.
Oh, engathi uyayifeel, engathi
And
uyayiva.
then we connected.
Uzoba right mnase.
The show was so awesome, Shem. People basekomani, they did come and show up. They kumnandi. Maqebeha, you can also do it. Xasikwazi uyenza thina ekomani. I think thina siyenzise kuba we have indima ngene emagezeni.
Oh yeah.
So ke ngo literally besiphathele amageza. So siyawa admit amageza wethu.
Besisekhaya.
Kamnandi.
Sure. But how was the show?
Oh, the show was brilliant.
Hey.
Marvelous.
Yeah.
So, hey,
Kuba bekho indoda yakho.
Umrojana. Yo, ndimbambile umrojana, ndambamba ndamthi. Ndambamba umrojana.
Siyabulela zange naphozwa ishow kodwa apha eKobani. So
Uyayazi.
Semahala ngoku.
Uyayazi.
uthini uthi biwe
Ngathi ibiwe phi le nto?
Ngicela uthethe. How was the show?
Oh, the show was beautiful. Nibheke Gqeberha Mos next week. Gqeberha, you better buy your tickets because wow.
Thank you. Thank you, ma'am.
Yeah, Gqeberha. We done ekomani nansi lela now.
Sisebhayi kule veki.
Yep.
Yeah, don't take.
Ebhaya mamba uze be inge 13 kaJuni siyafika fonini ba fill up the tomb yasebhaya.